Hey, it's Eric with a demonstration of Buzzious. First, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new website with Buzzious in under 1 minute. Then I'm going to show you how you can take a little more time to create an amazing, beautiful, full-featured, content-rich website that is ready to monetize and start profiting from immediately. All right, so first you'll see your dashboard kind of like this. Click your username and click your sites. All right, let's start the 1 minute countdown starting now. Click Create New Site. Select a site name. I'll just create one called Bitcoin News. The subdomain, we'll just call it Bitcoin. I've been into that stuff lately. Click Create Site. Then click your username again. Click Your Sites. And under Options, select an option and manage the site that we just created. First, we need to create a category. So click Categories. And we'll add a category. We'll call the category Bitcoin News. So we'll add that category. Now technically the website's done already, but I want to add some content, so we'll say add post, add curate post. For the post source, I'm going to select Bloomberg. I'll show you all these other post sources in just a few minutes. Category is going to be Bitcoin News, and then the keyword I'm just going to say Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and search. I'll select the very first article that comes up, scroll down and click add post. You can see success, post added successfully. Now let's take a look at that site that we just created. I'll click View Site, and you can see this site is already made. It is Bitcoin and Bitcoin News. We've got this article that we've added, and within this article we have all kinds of stuff, commenting and like buttons and all sorts of stuff. And that's in under a minute.